Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have a special unboxing, and this is of the Purkin. And the Purkin here device is the Purkin USB Type-C, basically a port extender. Now as you can see here, this is a quick run through of the product. You can actually peruse the product right now. And of course you can see the USB Type-C connection. You do get these blue USB 3.0 ports. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and of course another additional USB Type-C port. And of course you can see the Purkin logo right here. It says link your life, preview of the product, and of course your 3-year warranty here, and it says Purkin USB-C Hub. And of course on this side here there's nothing, and on the other side here nothing again, and over here there's nothing. Alright, so it's going to look at the back. On the back of the device, it runs through the specifications. You can see where it can be connected to your laptop, and it's basically going to extend the ports. And of course it's great for persons in case you do that have enough USB ports. As you might know, modern laptops do come, but of course they're always short of a port, in terms of the saying that there's not enough ports that you can plug in all the accessories that you have, such as USB flash drives, mouse, keyboards, and so on. All right, so the standard is around 3, so you can actually extend this into from 3 to another additional 4 ports, plus keep your USB Type-C port. All right, so let's look at the specifications here. You can always pause and check them out for yourself. It's basically as I was correct, it's USB 3.2 adapter ports, and of course there's the USB Type-C input, and it does give the output of the USB Type-C ports. And the device is created from aluminum alloy, meaning it's an alloy of aluminum, and it gives some other information here. And of course that's the basic information. So as you might know, the USB Type-C ports are very fast, so you can expect top of the line performance from these this device. Alright, so let's open this case up, guys. I could not find my handy scissors, so I'll have to just make do with this screwdriver right here. I'm just going to break the seal. This is a brand new device, and while we're doing this, I want to thank the guys over at Purkin for sending this over for a review. And of course guys, I'll have a link in the description. You can actually check this out for yourself as well, in case you want to purchase this device. So let's go ahead and remove this from the packaging. And as you can see here right away, this is the device itself, and just want to say right away, great packaging. As you can see, it comes nicely affixed in this shockproof plastic mold, and the mold basically keeps everything secure while the device is being transferred, or while it's being delivered. And of course you can see the edges right here. I'm just going to pop this out, and it comes right out. Just be extra careful. And of course right away I can see that this section is the aluminum alloy section, and right here you can see the ports. We have 4 of them, USB 3.0. There's the Purkin logo right here to the side right here in this nice metallic finish, and you can see it's metal all around. This part is built in, and it's just a simple device. And of course here's the USB Type-C port or hub, and of course you can expect that you can do several things with this single hub, including connecting your various devices and so on. And of course I'm just going to see if there's anything such as documentation in the packaging, and of course there's no documentation, but of course I'd expect that it's simple to understand something like this. And here we go. So as you can see here, guys, I'm just going to plug this in a minute, and I'm going to show you what it's like to actually operate this with your laptop or Mac device or so on. Alright guys, so I have the USB port extender here, and of course as I said, it's USB Type-C. So one of the things that you must know, that for this to work you need to have a USB Type-C port on your laptop. On mine here I have a USB-C port right at this side right here. So let's check it out. So here I have the USB Type-C slot. These are coming on all modern laptops, so you need to connect this right here, and of course it should be USB powered. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to connect this. Seeing it's USB Type-C, it will connect either way, so just make sure you find the right orientation that matches what you need. And once you do that, just go ahead and plug this in, and once you can hear that the laptop has identified that something has been plugged in, and right away again this should be working quite fine right now. Driver should be automatically found. So as the port is connected right now, I need something that's USB to test this out. I'm going to try out one of my flash drives. Alright guys, so here I have my USB flash drive. This one is from Olala. I've done a review on this on the channel already, and this one is a very large one, but of course it'll still work. So I'm just going to disconnect. And of course, one of the cool things about this too, it supports the iPhone. But of course, let's go straight into the connection right here. So I'm just going to plug this in carefully to the USB hub. There you go. And of course, it's now connected. And if everything goes well, it should pop up. And of course, there you go. It has popped up on screen. And I'm just going to blur my files. Or you can just check it out here. And it works flawlessly. So it does use the USB hub. And in case you're curious, it does work on Windows. So as you see here, this is the USB drive, drive D, and I can confirm it is my drive as it's a 120 gigabyte USB flash drive. As you can see, 117 gigabytes usable. Sorry, 117 gigabytes usable with 19 gigabytes free. And of course, it's connected right here, and it's working flawlessly. All right, so just want to say that this should work also on Mac devices. So if you have a device like this and you want to give this a try, you can always use it as a great port extender. You can place this on your desk and it will work flawlessly. As you can see here, I can connect several flash drives. I can connect additional ports, and this particular laptop actually has only 3 USB ports. Now I have an additional 4, plus I still have the USB Type-C port that's available, and it's a great extension, should work with all modern laptops. So guys, I highly recommend that you check out this device from our sponsors, or the persons who have provided this device for review, which is the Purkin, right? And this is a Purkin USB-C Hub, and it gives you several USB 3.0 ports. And of course, as you can see here guys, it's working quite flawlessly, and I must say so far I like the build quality. You do get a solid build material, I mean this thing will last for very long. It also is very flexible, it being USB Type-C. It also gives great power delivery. Everything works as with a normal USB port. You can also expect that it's simple plug and play, no need for any technical manuals. All you gotta do is just plug this in. It will work for any laptop that you might have, whether from Windows to Mac. You have you covered right there. And of course guys, that's all I have to say about this particular product. Do note however that with devices like these or products like these, make sure you go with a trusted brand. You would want something that can last, and of course you want to buy this probably once and keep it for years to come. And as you can see here, this one does work simply outside of the box. All I had to do was just plug this in, and I had no troubles whatsoever, and it was a hassle-free install, no need for instructions and so on. So thank the guys at Purkin for sending this over again. Really appreciate it, and I'm sure my readers or my viewers as well will be glad for this product. Product link below, check it out. Full review over on the blog in case you want further details. Alright guys, so I won't make this video drag on any longer, and thank you guys for tuning in. This is Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye guys.